do everything in Davao elsewhere except in the places where there is a curfew. Nobody can force you to do a thing. We are allowed to live there in peace. Nobody has been forced to do anything against his will. The only thing, what would say was an impairment of those civil and political rights is that you have to go home at 12 because at 12, iba ang bakbakan and they might not see you clearly if you are a civilian or an enemy.
In other words,
It is really for your own good.
wala pong repeat ng 1972 events.
You have seen it for 1 month now. May nakita ka bang tangke dito, mga sundalo? Do you see any uniform military outfits roaming the streets there?
No, sir.
So why do you have to compare me with Marcos? I am not Marcos. I may not be as brilliant as Marcos, but definitely I am more attuned to my values in life. Ang values ni Marcos is not necessarily mine just because there is martial law.